Good evening, students. So, today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter 2, Relation and Function, from your NCERT textbook, class 11, subject Mathematics. So, in this video, I am going to give you the topics which we are going to study for this in this chapter and the concept which we need to know before starting this chapter. So, in this video, just we are going to simply see what are the things we are going to study in this particular chapter. So first of all, let me write chapter's title, that is Relation and Function. This is your chapter title, Relation and Function. So I am writing what are the things. First of all, we should know about sets. We should have deep knowledge about set in this chapter. Then second topic is Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Then the third topic is what? Relation. Third topic, relation. Then fourth is what? Domain. Fifth is what? Range. Sixth is what? Codomain. Then next one is what? Seventh and the last, function. So these are the 7 main topics which we are going to study in this particular chapter. So firstly, set, as you know, collection of all the object, well defined object is known as set, that we have discussed in in chapter first. Then Cartesian product. Now we should know about the Cartesian product. So Cartesian product is basically the product of two sets. Suppose P and Q are the two sets. P and Q are the two sets in such that P, or like this, Q two sets. So P, suppose A, B and Q is equal to 2, 3, for example only. So this P cross Q Cartesian product must be what? A 2, A 3, then B 2, B 3. It means these are the set of ordered pair. Cartesian product means set of ordered pair in which first element, which is A, B, that first element must belongs to first set, that is P, and the second element must belongs to Q. So these are the set of ordered pair, okay. And deep we will see in next video, in coming videos, when we have broad discussion about each and individual topics. Now relation. What is relation? Relation is a subset of Cartesian product. First of all, that is also a Cartesian product or set of ordered pair, but which shows or which satisfied a special type of relationship, which satisfied the special type of relationship. And one thing at least you should know in this video, that is subset or equal to Cartesian product, okay. Cartesian product, okay. This relation is what? Subset or equal to Cartesian product. It means first of all we should have Cartesian product of that two given set, and then we will see what are the relationship, what are the conditions are given for the set R. So that condition must be satisfied, and those elements must be taken from the Cartesian product only, or set of the ordered pair. Then the domain. Simply, in your simple words, domain is nothing just like input. What input we should give so that our output must be defined and our function must remains defined for the real number, okay. So in domain. Here I am not going to speak a lot about domain and range and everything. In separate video we'll discuss about domain, range, so don't worry. So domain, you should know this is input for a function, and range is what? Similarly output for a function. For value of each value of x, the value of function or the value of y should be well defined, Then codomain is always the second set. Suppose two set, for example in this set if we'll talk about this p and q set, then this whole q set will be what? Codomain. This whole set should be what? Codomain. Okay, so codomain is nothing, only you should know the function is subset of codomain. The range is subset of codomain. Relation, you just see, relation is subset of Cartesian product and range is subset of codomain. Range are like this, range, okay, range is subset of codomain. This point you should remember, range is subset of codomain. Okay, and at the last, function, as you know there is, so for function is what? Function for in which we are taking domain, we are putting the input values and we are getting the output values which contains domain as well as range, that will be the function. Function again is special type of relation, that shows a special type of relation. In detail we will discuss, separate video we will be having for these particular topics, for all the topics, so you don't worry, you just see what are the things we are going to study in chapter 2nd in class 11. Okay, I think so I have covered, I have give you enough introduction at least for coming chapter. Thank you.